go on that.
A boga initiation.
A boga?
Yeah.
What were you not in your high school?
A lot of things. It was not the drama kid, that's for sure.
I was a drama kid. Close.
To this cake.
Whoa, it's like wax. Oh god. Oh god.
You're destroying this.
I'm destroying the cake.
Seems more sensible to me.
Oh. My grandma would like this cake.
Isn't that shocking?
It's really like interesting.
Mm-hmm.
It's very
super
like
interesting.
it's very buttercream heavy.
Also, the like
They have
geometry of it is like very interesting. Yeah, because that's they. But this is cute.
someone already ate it. Oh really?
Yeah. So I'm certainly not going to fill it all the way up.
There they are. Wow, I can't believe you spotted that.
The WC over here. Okay.
The WC?
Down there would suck.
Yeah, uphill.
Yeah, that's what we would have had to have done.
Well, I just saw that. Okay, coming to you live from Dresden Hotel. We just had burgers for dinner, and yeah, I'm doing my practicum applications right now, which I'm really stressed about, but we're getting them done. And I just had cashew butter, so I'm like chewy. Yeah, this trip was amazing. I really didn't expect Dresden to be so cute, and it was really, really cute. It was like Gilmore Girls in the fall, basically, but European edition. I wonder if I should look into this camera. Hello. But yeah, we head home tomorrow morning at 9 a.m. via the train, and then I work that same day, have a friend's birthday. But thank you for coming along. It's been like so nice sharing and yeah, kind of treasuring these moments forever. I hope you have an amazing rest of your day wherever you're watching this. This is like my childhood encapsulated.
Once upon a time, there was a lovely princess.